All right, today's video is about unusual meanings of usual words. It seems quite interesting. Now let's check what we are supposed to do. Cow. Everyone knows cow means a four-footed animal. But here as we are talking about unusual meanings, so let's check means to be frightened with threats, violence, to lessen the spirits of courage, to become very angry, annoyed, upset, etc. My mom will have a cow when she hears I'm moving. It doesn't mean that she has a cow. It is showing her maybe angerness. I refuse to be cowed by their threats. So here it is used as what? As a verb. Page is quite common. Everyone knows, and especially students, the people who belongs to books, magazine, like such type of things, or academic genre, offices. Everyone, I think, each and every person is familiar this term. People mm, mm, are well known by this term. And what is this? This is page. So let's check how it is an unusual word, or how does it take another meaning. A significant event or period considered as a part of a longer history, an era, a chapter, time, period, etc. The vote will form a page in the world's history. So here a page, time, period, era, or a chapter. Then again page, another meaning, a young person employed in a hotel or other establishment to run errands, open doors, etc., or a boy serving as an honorary attendant at a formal function such as a wedding. So basically, when we talk about the history of this word page, it was very first time started using in medieval time period when the knights were basically the very brave, we can say the bravest persons or warriors of their own time period. So pages were there to serve them. So basically this term is being used from that time period, and it means the one who serves. He serves him as his page. Then next page, this word as a verb, it means to look through, and especially a book or a magazine. She was paging through a pile of Sunday newspapers. So see, page in in regular days, in regular time, we are familiar with one specific term or a way. We usually have no idea on its other aspects. So keep it remember, such words can be used in this way as well. Then word is base, and of course base is quite famous. Especially this word is very common among those who are basically the part of law enforcement agencies, and especially forces, chemistry students, as and if we talk about the constructors and rest of the other things, the people, many people they know about what does mean by base. Education is everyone knows about it. But if we are talking about unusual, so it's mean of little or no value, worthless, morally low, dishonorable, base. It means this. So I accuse him of having base motives. The next sentence, again, if we talk about a sentence, so it's a group of words which gives complete meaning, a sense. But as we are talking about unusual meaning, so let's check. It's been punishment. Her husband is serving a 3-year sentence for fraud. 10 criminals were sentenced to life imprisonment. So what does it mean? Punishment. It can be used in this context as well. So don't get confused if someone uses it in any other context. We, I think very few people are familiar with this word WWE. Usually we all are familiar with WE. Let's see, what does it mean? It means small or little. You were just a wee lad the last time I saw you. So here we has been used as an adjective. Would you care for a wee bit more to eat? Again, adjective. So WWE, wee is a word which means small or little. And usually people are not familiar with this word. Cherry. Cautiously or suspiciously reluctant to do something. Careful, wary. These are the meaning of this. It's not like another cherry. She had been chary of telling the whole truth. And here we go. It is the last word of our this video. Here we are going to end our video. Hopefully you have learned something new from it. You will enjoy it. And please write your comments in comment box that you have learned something new.